Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. Today's video is requested by Aya Rain on Instagram, and she requested to do a video of dupe nail polishes in the shade of nude. So I gathered all of my nude nail polishes. We have by the brands Bench Beauty, Bench Paint Box, 1010 Nail Polish, Nail Tech Polish, Sunny's Face Play Paint, OMG, Caronia, and Sassy Colors. Before comparing each shade, I'll first swatch each shade per brand on a piece of paper. I'm starting with Bench Beauty nail polishes. Then Bench Paint Box. Next is Sunny's Face Play Paint. Then Sassy Colors. This shade doesn't have a shade name on the bottle, so let's just swatch it right away. Next is Nail Tech Polish. Then we have 1010 Nail Polish. Next is Caronia. Then OMG. After swatching all of them on a piece of paper, I'm gonna be comparing them. This comparison will be only based on the swatches on the paper. After writing down which shades are a bit similar, let's try swatching them on my nails. But before all of that, I'm applying a peel-off nail mask before every swatch. Now let's try out Ivory by Bench Beauty and Leotard by Sunny's Face Play Paint. I'm applying 2 coats of Ivory first. Keep in mind that I always let the first coat to dry before applying another. Then let's apply 2 coats of Leotard. On my index and middle nail, we have Ivory by Bench Beauty and Leotard by Sunny's Face Play Paint on my ring and pinky nail. Ivory is on the muted dull tone, while Leotard is on the light side of nude shade. Next set of shades are Taupe by Caronia and 84 by Nail Tech Polish. I'm applying 2 coats of Taupe. Then 2 coats of 84. On my index and middle nail, we have Taupe by Caronia and 84 by Nail Tech Polish on my ring and pinky nail. On paper, these 2 shades look similar, but once they're on my nails and with 2 coats of application, you can totally see its difference. For the next nail polishes, we'll be having 3. They are Bikini by 1010 Nail Polish, an unknown shade from Sassy Colors, and Powder Blush by Bench Beauty. I'm applying 2 coats of Bikini. Then 2 coats of Sassy Colors. Next, I'm applying 2 coats of Powder Blush. On my index and pinky nail, we have 1010's Bikini, Sassy Colors on my middle nail, and Powder Blush on my ring nail. In this set of colors, Sassy Colors is the only one that has a different tone. Next set, we have Cappuccino by OMG, Touch of Tan by Caronia, and Camel by Bench Beauty. On my index nail and pinky nail, I'm applying 2 coats of Cappuccino. On my middle nail, I'm applying 2 coats of Touch of Tan. And on my ring nail, I'm applying 2 coats of Camel. Now, all of the shades on my nails looks the same. Do you guys agree? Let's move on to the next set of shades, which are Avant-Garde by OMG, Misty by Caronia, and Apricot by Bench Paintbox. On my index nail, I'm applying 2 coats of Misty. On my middle nail, I'm applying 2 coats of Avant-Garde. And on my ring nail, I'm applying 2 coats of Apricot. So I have decided to apply a 3rd coat. And the only one that has a different tone of shade is Avant-Garde by OMG. For the final swatch, we have 2 shades from the same brand, and they are Sand and Powder Blush. Let's see if these are the same. I'm applying 2 coats of Sand. Then I'm applying 2 coats of powder blush. And I can't tell the difference. Among all of the 21 shades of nude polishes I have, these 7 nail polishes doesn't have any dupes in my collection. And we're done comparing everything. How many nude nail polishes do you have in your collection? Did you guys have fun in today's search of dupe nail polishes? If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. If you have any video requests, just leave it on the comment section below. Never forget to follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!